Hi guys, my name is Nwodo. I am an instructor at Loctech IT Training Institute. I am currently the digital marketing manager at Loctech IT Training Institute, and I'm going to be your instructor and I'm going to be your guide throughout this journey. So we're actually going to be looking at what email marketing is and what campaign creation entails. We're going to be looking at a whole host of things. We're going to be looking at how to set everything up, how to build our first lists, what email marketing is, understanding lead generation, and strategies to building your first email list. We're also going to look at segmentation and tagging, campaign planning and strategy. So you want to follow these videos because they're going to be in different segments, they're going to be in different sections, so you want to be there. So thank you for listening. I'll see you in the next video.